when the Dandenong from Melbourne sailed to Newcastle port was bound. She had 83 poor souls on board, through the storm she cleaved her way. And it's sad to relate the terrible fate, 'twas just off Jarvis Bay. And I long for you, I long for sleep, I dream of being warm. Through the night I have to sail to brave this raging storm. While plowing through those angry waves, her propelling shaft gave way, and the waters they came pouring in, which filled them with dismay. All hands on board did all they could, till at length all hope was gone, and they hoisted a signal of distress on board the Dandenong. It was not long until a bark with a brisk and a lively crew came bearing down, and the captain cried, "We'll see what we can do." Came bearing down with might and main, in spite of wind and rain. They did all they could, as sailors would, those precious lives to save. And I long for you, I long for sleep, I dream of being warm. I pray the sea will let me be, to face another dawn. Well, some in boats they tried to reach that kind and friendly bark, and numbers of their lives were saved, but the night came on pitch dark. What more could mortal man do then, when the storm increased full strong, and the rest now sleep in the briny deep,